Hello, so in this video I'll show you exactly how to verify a LinkedIn account. So the first thing you want to do is go up to the section Me and click on View Profile. And here you can see my profile and you can see this section where it says Add Verification Badge. And I click on that one and here I can verify using my work email and here I can verify using my government ID. So you will only have this option where to verify your work email if you have put a job that you're working on right now to your LinkedIn profile. So I want to use the second option, verify my government ID. So I click on that one. And now I should use my mobile device to verify. So I'll just show you by using my camera app on my phone. Then I want to point the camera at the QR code and click on the link that's up here. And if I click on that one, then it will open LinkedIn on my mobile app. And here it wants to verify with persona, and I click on verify with persona. And then it will open up where you should select which country your government ID is from. And then you need to agree, and I consent that they are collecting data. So I want to click on continue. And then it will load for a little bit. And then for my case, I need to verify that this symbol is on my ID. Otherwise it will not work. But for you it could be different because you're from another country. But you just want to click on yes continue and then you will send in your ID or take a photo of your ID, and that's how to verify your LinkedIn account. So as you can see, I just finished my verification of my government ID and now it says on my web browser on LinkedIn, verification successfully added to your profile, and if I click got it and I go to my profile, you can now see I got the verification badge. So hope this video helped you and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to be next.